Hey Flavortown people, hi Kampala, hi Uganda, my name is Shepherd and welcome back to another sweet episode of the Flavor Box. Let's find out what we are making today. Okay, ooh, now that's a homemade bread loaf, perfectly sweetened and it's white. Let's make this together, guys. Let's look at what we need for this. So we have sugar, 30 grams. We need one egg yolk, one whole egg rather. Salt to taste. We need butter, 70 grams. Milk. If you don't have milk in your kitchen, use water for this one. You need 150 grams, and then just 5 grams of the yeast. Then we have 330 grams for your flour. So in we go with our dough first. I'll put the butter. Then I'll go in with the milk in, 30 grams of that sugar, salt, just to taste, about half a teaspoon, lock it in, and then we start beating. We'll get this out, and then take it onto our work surface, dust your hands. Dust off the surface, get that coming out, boom. So we're gonna let this dough proof for about maybe 25 minutes, and it's going to double up in size. You need to grease the pan. Just use your oil, what you have in your kitchen, and then get this guy up, put it right in there, cover your bread, and just allow it to double up in size. So you cover this back again. You want it to double up in size, fills up the tin, and then we shall bake it after it has doubled up in size. Maybe give or take 15 to 20 minutes. But you can also have it washed on top, just for that golden brown, with an egg wash. Alright, so now you don't have to go around looking for a loaf of bread. You can make it right in your kitchen at home using this very simple recipe that I've shared. And look at how soft it is. I mean, if I break this apart and get a little bit of that butter in here, I have Prestige margarine butter, whatever you have in your kitchen, in your fridge. Add a little bit of green, maybe parsley, chives, and then get it all over there. Make a very good spread, and voila. Who wants to bite alongside me? Let's go. Oh my god.